How to move a user account from one Mac to another. Before you moving current account from one Mac to another, please do the following. 1. We recommend saving the photos library in an external device like pen drive. 2. Do a manual time machine backup on your old computer. To do so, open the time machine menu, launch backup now. See detailed instructions. 'at https://goo.gl/wtssdn. 3. Delete all the content in your old Mac OS account. 4. Do a time machine backup again. 5. Unmount the time machine volume on Mac number 1, and mount it on Mac number 2. Now, launch Migration Assistant under the Utilities folder and follow the on-screen wizards to complete the moving process. And see detailed official info at https://goo.gl/r9bb4v.